Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving right into how you can track budget variances in Monday.com. If you're managing a project, it's crucial to stay on top of your budget, and this tool can help make that task infinitely easier. Let's get started with the first step. You'll need to open up Monday.com and navigate to your project's main board. This is where you'll see an overview of all your tasks, deadlines, and team members. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a holistic view of our project before we dive into the financials. Next up, we're going to add a new column to track our budget. To do this, click on the Add Column button at the top right of your board, then select Numbers. This helps us because we can now input our projected budgets for each task in this column. It's critical to fill in these projections accurately, as it will provide the basis for tracking variances later on. Now that we've done that, we need to create another column to record our actual spend. Again, click on Add Column, then select Numbers. As you start spending on your project tasks, you'll update this column with the actual amounts. This allows us to compare what we thought we would spend versus what we are actually spending. This brings us to our fourth step, which is tracking the variance. For this, we're going to add another column, but this time, select Formula. You'll then input a formula to subtract the actual spend from the projected budget. This will automatically calculate the variance for each task. The reason we do this is to get a real-time overview of whether we're under or over budget and by how much. It's a powerful way to keep your spending under control. Once you have these columns set up, you should regularly update your actual spend and monitor the variance. This is essential for effective budget management and can help you make informed decisions about your project. Lastly, use the Chart View option in Monday.com to visually track these variances. To do this, go to Add View, then select Chart. You can create a bar or line graph to show your budget variance over time. This helps us because it provides a clear visual of our budget status and can help identify trends or areas of concern quicker. And there you have it. You're now equipped to effectively track budget variances in Monday.com. This tool makes it easier to manage your project's budget and ensure you're staying on track. Thanks for watching, and make sure to put these steps into practice for your next project.